Hello everyone, Chinese Characters Bible 23. This character, this time we are going to look at together, meaning 5 elements or 5. We are here now on the index, 5 elements. This is two strokes character, not a radical but basic component of Chinese characters. All in same shapes, Korean Hanja, Chinese traditional and simplified. In Korean language, we teach 다섯 오, 오행오. 다섯 means 5. 오행 means 5 elements of the universe. The Chinese pronunciation is 오, 오, having tone number 3 value. The symbolic analysis and interpretation of this character is, please try to remember the former characters yin and yang as hidden meanings of these two characters. This character is the combination of these two characters, yin and yang crossing and flowing over left and right, and make the five primary substances of the universe. Okay, this character, yang and yin. The former character we have looked at together was just like this, meaning rule or cut. This part of this character and this part of former character are all same because this character, we write this and we also can write this. It's a stroke change. Okay, so this character meaning 5 elements, just like this we write. Okay, the dictionary meaning of this character, 5 elements of universe: matter, wood, water, fire, and earth. Also aura. This is an archaic variant of O, the same pronunciation, meaning 5. Okay, yin and yang makes 5. The hidden meaning of this character, it's a sort of negative reversal of 5 basic aura, energy, and elements. If the energy of the 5 elements flows in the wrong directions, it will produce negative and nasty meanings or results. So the hidden meanings here, negative, nasty, or wrong. Okay, bad sometimes. Please try to remember these hidden meanings in addition to the dictionary meanings of this character. Okay, the next question is why this character has tone number 3 value. Yin and yang, crossing over and waving left and right, up and down, made all the substances of the universe. So tone number 3. Having left, right, and up and down and up and down, fluctuating, waving, in flexible manner, it produced 5 elements of the universe. This is one of the Oriental wisdoms, how the universe has been made. Okay? So what do you think about this interpretation of this basic component of Chinese characters? If you agree and expect the next characters up to 4,000 Chinese characters, please subscribe. Okay, thank you very much for your listening to the end, and see you next time.